okay? Lift your right hand up and try to rotate your hands in and slowly place your right hand back. Now with the left hand, try to interlace your finger with the right and place your right wrist to the left side of the torso and gently drop your right shoulder down. And now as you exhale, slowly tilt your head, place your head over your left shoulder and hold here. You can close your eyes, up to you. Now slowly take a deep breath in, inhale. And exhale, breathe out. Breathe in, keep your head as it is in a bended position. And slowly switch your side first, switch your hand, and then slowly drop your head over your right shoulder. And hold here, breathe in and breathe out. Now bring your awareness to your shoulder, keep your shoulder relaxed so you can feel all the stretch on your traps, the side of your neck. Keep breathing, breathe in and breathe out. Slowly with the next inhalation back to the center. As you inhale, lift your hands up and try to lift your ribcage high. And exhale, slowly place your hands to the outside of your knee. Take a fingertip support. Keep walking forward. And now bring your hands near to the front line. And as you inhale, slowly lift your hands up. Lift up chest high. And exhale, place your palm on your mat and move forward. In opposite, bring your awareness to your hip. Keep pushing your hip back to the mat. And slowly, as you exhale, move to the right side towards your knee. And again, bring your awareness to your left hip. Try to push or press your left hip down. And as you inhale, lift your chest up. Hold here for 3, 2, and 1. Move to the left side. Do the same thing. Bring your awareness to the right hip. Press your right hip down. And as you inhale, lift your chest up nice and hold here for 3. Breathe in. Keep looking forward. Don't drop your head down. And inhale slowly back to the center. Place a palm on your mat. Slowly lean forward. Come up on tabletop. Now with the next inhalation, slowly drop your belly down, lift your hip up, send your chest forward, rotate your shoulder out, look up, and exhale, slowly round your spine. Again, inhale, lift up, and exhale, round your spine. Now do the same thing in a movement, like keep moving your spine. Breathe in and breathe out, open your heart as you exhale, inhale, make a big hunch. Now inhale, open your chest and exhale. Make a big hunch on your upper back, nice and easy for 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly open your heart and hold here for 3. Look up. 2, 1, and exhale. Slowly hunch your back. Come up on your fingertip. Now ground your fingers on your mat and slowly squeeze your abdomen and hold here for 3, 2, 1. Exhale, place your palm down. Again, inhale, send your chest forward, open your heart. And exhale. Come up on your fingertip and hold here for 3, 2, 1. And exhale, relax. Just relaxed. Okay, now we will do holding with the blocks. So what you have to do, place 2 blocks underneath your thoracic region. So lie down on your back. So make sure the block should be underneath the scapula. So lift your hands up and feel your scapula. They are here. Maybe align with the chest. And slowly drop it back. Nice. Now lift your hands up and slowly drop your head down. And lock your elbows. Just release your hand. Just relax your hand like this. So in case if you are not reaching with your head down, if you have something like your bag, or you can use the bolster also to support your head. And make sure your hips should be grounded. And keep lifting your rib cage up. Nice. And don't hold the breath and just relax and just lie down for 2 minutes. रुको 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 Lift your hands up. पहुंच नहीं रहा. Lift your hands up and relax. Make sure your hips should be grounded. In case you are feeling too much pressure on your shoulder, you can release your hand to the sideways, huh? 10 more seconds. Now first, release your hand to the sideways. Take a fingertip support, make a cup to the sideways, near to your hips, huh? Or maybe lower back. Now fold your both legs. Now take a deep breath in, inhale. And now as you exhale, slowly turn towards your left side. With exhalation, huh? Slowly come out from the posture. And remove your hips also, yeah, nice. And now slowly come back to tabletop. So as a counter, we'll do the opposite, huh? So as we did the extension, now we'll go for flexions. Try to make a big hunch on your upper back. And hold here. Don't hold the breath, just hold the posture, huh? Breathe in and breathe out, nice. 5, 4, 3, breathe in, and exhale, relax. Nice. Okay, so one last, the movement one. So what you have to do, come to the wall, or it's better to go with a partner, huh? So your partner will guide you. So look carefully what you have to do. You have to make a wave, huh? So at the same time you're working on your cervical, this, and also you're covering your hips, huh? So what you have to do, take a 1 foot distance from the wall, like this. So step by step, huh? Look here. First your forehead, second your chin, third your chest. So you have to keep like making a wave, huh? So you have to remove your head, neck. Third your chest, then your abdomen, then your pelvis, and again round and step by step. And at the same time keep breathing, huh? And what with the foot, as I told you in the beginning, try to keep divided your weight equally, huh? So it's easier for you to balance, huh? Otherwise you'll be like, okay, falling backward or to the sideways. Okay, so go with the partner, this, your abdomen, your pelvis, and then again back to the center and make a wave. Okay? We'll do for 30 seconds, huh? Just free your spine and just move. Okay. Now first your head, your chin, and this, nice. Come to the abdomen, your pelvis, and now make a big hunch and back to the center and keep removing it. Nice. Okay, after 30 seconds, or you can come back to the center, huh? Nice. Okay. Now let's move to the posture. Now do camel pose one by one on your own mat, then see how to do it with proper alignment. So we start with Mahima. To those who have back injuries, they can avoid, huh? It's okay. Just place your hands here. Okay, nice. Paulina. Nice, Pravaz. Nice. Nice. Next. Nice. आराम से शादी बढ़िया नाइस नाइस okay nice okay so on as a general questions on which part of the spine you feel like more pressure while doing this yeah obviously on the lower back okay so in the beginning as I told you like this is the more heart opening posture but still people try to tend to bend from the lower back okay so that's how you feel more pressure because as we know our lower back is more flexible part of our spine which already has a natural arch here and then again you are trying to compressing it so that's how it feels like more pressure on the lower back so in Ustrasana you have to bend from the upper region of the thorax upper region of the chest and how there are some shoulder action you have to maintain and then we'll see how okay let's start so as I told you this is more likely heart opening posture not the lower one so how to open your heart so there are 3 shoulder action you have to maintain the first one is what is this the external rotation of the shoulders it allows to open the chest more wider and the second one is retraction of scapula. As you retract your scapula, you see how automatically your heart is lifting up. And the third one is depression of your scapula. Okay? So in the beginning, you have to go for elevation of your scapula and then depression of your scapula. So see what happened, just this, as you know, this is the depression of scapula. Try to retract your scapula, squeeze your blade together and see this is your limit, this is your range of motion. Okay? And now relax. Now elevate your scapula and now try to retract. See how while doing elevation there's much, I can easily open my heart at the same time. But in depression, this is my limit, I can't go more forward. But in elevation, you can open your heart more wider. So first, as you're entering in the pose, go for elevation, and as you are done with the elevation, depress it down. Okay, so let's start. And one more thing, about the lower part. So as we know, this is more likely that stretch should be filled here. But when you go in the pose, as you see your buttocks come together and it roll your thighs outward. Okay, so our main purpose is we have to maintain our thigh in a neutral position. So it's better to try not to squeeze your buttocks. Try not to squeeze your buttock while going in a camel pose. It rotates your thigh outward. So our main purpose is just release your buttocks as it is in a natural position. Try not to squeeze them. Okay. And how? So we'll start with like this. I'll just see first now. Generally, we start the posture like this. We align our knees and all. And as you go for the posture, you see how this goes turn outward. So we'll do the opposite thing, Open legs more wider and relax. So see, as I'm doing this thing, right now my thighs are going to the internal rotation. They are not in a natural position. Natural position is like the neutral one. As I'm doing this one, my thighs are rolling outward. So we'll do the opposite, Go for this one. They are in an internal position right now. Now from here you have to place your hand on over your heel like this. So right now they are in a natural position. There is no external rotation right now. So what you have to do, bring your awareness to your shoulders or to the rib cage. Try to lift your rib cage up, suck your belly in, and now to the shoulders. Roll your shoulders to the outward. So see, as I roll my shoulder outward, my fingers are pointing to the backward. Okay. Now, as you are done with this part, elevate your scapula and retract your scapula as much as you can, and keep lifting your rib cage up. It's more likely this, not this. So as I'm doing this one, I'm bending from the lower back. As you're doing this one, you're lifting the rib cage up and then trying to bend from the upper region. Okay, so the purpose is you have to suck and lift. Same thing, not this one, Rotate, suck and bend. So we'll see on his next turn. So the legs should be outward. ये पाँव कहाँ से फाड़ देते हैं? Okay, like this, And now release your hands on the heels. So this is the first action, Make sure your heels are outward. And now from here, first try to roll your shoulders out. No, out, nice. And the second action is try to retract your scapula as much as you can. And suck your belly in, and now bring your awareness to the rib cage, lift up. See, now she's trying to bend from the upper region, not from the lower back. Nice. Okay, see, this is how you bend from the lower back. There's no movement of the rib cage, there's no movement of the scapula. Just you are trying to bend it from the lower back. So do the same thing. Place your hands on the heels, roll it out. Outward, yeah, nice. Squeeze, and now suck your belly in and lift your ribcage high, more. Nice. So as you are done with the range of motion, now from here you have to tuck your tailbone in. Tuck your tailbone in. Just tuck in and go forward. Okay? And see, as she's going forward, again she's bending from the lower back. So while going forward or while moving forward, make sure you have to maintain the ribcage upward, Keep it lifting, like this, okay? Keep lifting it as high as you can. And now again, retract, open heart, and make sure thighs should be aligned, your hip bone should be aligned with your knee, Not too much forward or not too much backward. Again, now you can see this thigh are in a neutral position right now. They are not moving outward and they are not moving inward. Okay? Now again, bring your awareness to the rib cage. Keep lifting up, suck your belly in. Inhale, keep retracting your scapula. And now from here, as you're done with this part, without losing your rib cage, slowly relax your shoulders down and exhale. Look up. Okay, try not to lose your head down, otherwise it compresses your cervical spine. Stay there, stay there. Breathe in, and as you exhale, how to come out from the posture, go in the same way, back, and slowly drop your hip down, and exhale, come. And go for the child pose, and relax.